The guys found it again, and we're gonna take the boys. I got Butta with me there, and there's Twizzler in the back. And we're gonna go down to the St. Croix River and see if what we can find going on down there. Some parks or some rocks in the river, that kind of stuff. So we'll head over that way and see what we can find. Hopefully we find something good, and we'll come back and show you some things that we see on our adventure today. Thanks. So we're walking along the path here, and can you move out of the way? We found a little tiny baby painted turtle, box turtle, about the size of a 50-cent piece. Just a little tiny sucker. Cute. We'll leave him be. So we made it down to the St. Croix River, the border of Minnesota and Wisconsin, the east border. And we just took about a half-a-mile walk to get down in here. And this is the St. Croix River right outside of Afton, Minnesota. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And a super nice day out today, so that's nice. Yep. Here we are. We are going to keep going and see if we can see anything new and fun. So we found another little baby turtle. This one I picked up. I'm going to help him across the road here. Sorry, I have it in macro, that's why you can't see that very well. Just a little baby guy, about the size of a 50-cent piece. So we're going to take him across there, let him go in the weeds. And we got to watch out. This is the second or third one we've seen, so we'll have to keep an eye out for him. So we're going to head back to the car, and oh, you got another one? Another one. So I was going to do a little wrap up of where we were, but apparently there's another baby turtle. They must have hatched over on one side of the path and they're heading to the other side. Yeah. Here, I'll get my camera flipped around here. Hang on. Here, just let him be. So that's I think the fourth one we've seen so far. Or third, yeah. So cool. That's pretty fun. Back to what I was saying. So we are done in this area over here. I've never been over here before. We didn't find much. I found a couple little cool rocks. I'll show you some pictures of in a little bit. A couple other things. I think the coolest thing was seeing the baby turtles. That was kind of neat. And spending some time with the kids on such a nice day after a week of bad weather. So this was nice. So we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we are going to head out and go to a different spot before we need to go home. So we will check back in and let you know what else we're gonna do. Thanks.